Scale-up is more than furnishing. It's about strengthening your brand to maximize your sales and profits. It's about reducing cost of ownership by focusing on all life cycle costs. It's about promoting circular design and sustainability. Our modular and circular design solution builds on 4 cornerstones: reduce, repair, reuse, and recycle. Let's have a look at one way to do it. We only use what is necessary, which reduces the amount of raw material needed. Without losing quality, we can manufacture tabletops with less material by using our innovative structure. This enables us to make 2 tabletops using the material of only 1. Many of our tables are designed to be refinished up to 3 times. After the repair, the tabletop is restored and has been given a new life. We added a permanent mark to our tabletops in order to keep track of the life cycle. By adding a date each time the tabletop is refinished, you can follow the lifespan. When the tabletop has reached its end, our modular design enables to keep the table base and just replace the tabletop. The used tabletop can be repurposed as shelves, for example. 71% of the raw material used in the leg is recycled cast iron. The solid wood tabletop is 100% recyclable, as long as it has been properly refinished with environmentally safe products. Investing in furniture with many lives is smart. We can find the best solution together with you.